So earlier on in my course of authority positioning, we've talked about what authority products actually are. But I'd just like to talk to you now about how we actually package those. Now, we've talked as well about sales funnels. So sales funnel is a bit like an actual funnel that you would see to funnel water into a smaller container, for instance. And it's larger at the top and it's very small and skinny at the bottom. Now, in the sales world, this works in a very, very similar way in that we have or want to capture lots and lots of different people, lots and lots of different customers coming into our funnel. And then as people they're not right for our products or services, they're not interested. Eventually down the bottom we have only our best customers, our paying people coming through the bottom. So we need to be making sure we get as many people into that funnel as possible so that while they're inside it we can try and turn them or convert them into customers. So we have a sort of tiered packaging system. Now, just to give you a heads up, don't call your packages bronze, silver, gold and platinum because it's a bit old and it's a bit bleh. So I've put this here purely for just illustration's sake. To point out that in order to get people in our funnel, we need to have a whole range of products and services that go from completely and utterly free right the way through to highly paid, high-end, expensive products and services. So when you're thinking about what your products and services actually are, start thinking about what stuff can you pull together that you don't mind giving away free of charge, and that you can start to tier up price-wise. So, for instance, when I'm in my particular niche looking at my packaging, my free things include regular webinars. I do lots of free talking. I do free workshops. I give out free ebooks. I give out free how-to guides. I give out free templates. You name it. There's lots and lots of different things I give out for free. And I say to people, here's a free something. They have to swap their email address through a lead page in order to get that free thing. So what that does is gets me contacts and people who are clearly interested in my topic into my funnel and onto my email lists. And then I may have my lower end products, such as this online course you're watching now. You've had to pay money for it, but it's certainly nowhere near as expensive as my platinum version of my products and services. So I might have online courses, I may have some more in-depth templates or things like that, or checklists that go with those online courses as an upsell. And then as you come higher up the top end, we're going to be looking more at our one-on-one coaching, our face-to-face training programs, our do-it-for-you type services. This is how we want to start thinking about batching our different kinds of authority products and authority services.